Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a Facebook camera shortcut to the home screen on your Android phone to allow you to take a quick shot. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and on your home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Next, launch the Facebook app. Now once the Facebook app has launched, what you want to do is to start to create a new post, and then tap on photo or video to launch the camera. So tap on the camera button up here, and then once you have launched the Facebook camera, what you want to do is tap on the settings button at the top, and then tap on add camera shortcut, and this will allow you to add the camera button to the home screen for quick camera access. So you tap on that, and then tap on OK, and then tap on add. Now you can see here a new shortcut has been created. So whenever you need to take a photo for Facebook, you just tap on it, and then you can just tap on shoot, and then you can immediately share your story. Now you can choose type of privacy, whether it's friends, public, or custom. So you can choose, and then all you have to do is just simply tap on the share button. So that's how you can create a Facebook camera shortcut so that you can quickly share your photos or share your stories on your account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.